Tarun Tejpal continues to play hide and seek. Sources are telling your channel that even his family is not cooperating with Goa police in the investigations. We are also learning that they have flatly refused to divulge details on his whereabouts. Nikunj is with us on the phone line for more on this angle of the story. Nikunj, even the family of Tarun Tejpal not cooperating with Goa police, really what they had to do was they had to leave his residence empty-handed this morning.
Well, in fact, the Goa police arrived there early in the morning. They stayed there for nearly an hour. They were assisted by officers from the crime branch. And the family was told that non-bailable warrants have been issued against him and that they should divulge his whereabouts. His family was quizzed and they refused to give any information about Tarun Tejpal. What they said was that even day before yesterday, when the Goa Resident Commissioner's office came here and served summons to him under Section 160 CRPC, he was not present in the house. They said they don't have any idea for past 2 or 3 days where Tarun Tejpal is. After which the Goa police along with the crime branch officers left the residence of Tarun Tejpal. They are presently camping at Goa Southern and the police have said that they are now waiting for some report that they can get about Tarun Tejpal and only they will go ahead and carry out further raids and searches in the capital.
Okay, and what are those places where those further searches are going to be conducted?
Well, most obvious places would be residence of close family, friends and relatives, be that of his sister Neena Tejpal's residence in Greater Kailash Part 2 or any other place. Now, Tarun Tejpal has a few residences not only in Delhi but also he has a farmhouse in Nainital. He has a house or a villa in Kasauli. So he's someone who has several houses and is very well known in the capital. So tracking him down and hunting him down would be a task for Goa police, and that's the reason why they're taking assistance of the Delhi Police's crime branch to carry out any further raids and searches in the capital.
All right, let me bring in Kashif now, who's joining us from police headquarters in Goa. Kashif, really, the police of Goa has been lauded for the way professionally they are tackling this matter. They have been really, doing everything in their capacity to track Tarun Tejpal so far. But what happens from here on in terms of investigations if they fail to trace Tarun Tejpal?
Well, as far as the Goa police is concerned, their investigations are on the right track. In fact, sources in the establishment tell us that they have been, in fact, moving at the right clip. And today there has been a team which has, in fact, reached Delhi also to look for Tarun Tejpal. They have issued summons. And yesterday, the lawyer of Tarun Tejpal, in fact, came to meet the crime branch officials and submitted a note saying that he will present himself before the crime branch today. So clearly, what the Goa police is strategizing at this moment is that they are waiting for Tejpal to come before them for interrogation. Once he did not honor the deadline which was set yesterday at 3 p.m. After that, the NBW was initiated and the team left for Delhi. Now, what the Goa police says is that if they have chance upon Tejpal, they will bring him to Goa. But there are rumors that Tejpal is already in Goa and he would present himself to the Goa crime branch in this afternoon. So all this is in the realm of speculation as of now, but what we understand from the investigation team is that today the investigating team and Tejpal confrontation could possibly happen, maybe in the afternoon, that is.